Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about lemons. Every lemon part has some culinary use, whether it be the whole lemon, the lemon slices, lemon rind, its pieces, its juice, its oil as well as its leaf. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C as well as a decent source of potassium as well as vitamin B6. Lemon has many plant components which have various health benefits. It promotes hydration and skin quality, supports weight loss, aids digestion, freshens breath, helps reduce kidney stone as well as reduces the risk of heart disease. One of my favorite dish prepared out of lemon is lemon rice, which is spicy a bit, tangy, crunchy as well as flavorful. Lemon rice is a quick lunchbox recipe as well as a great travel food. Lemon rice always makes me feel nostalgic as it reminds me of my childhood vacation train journeys. My mouth floods on the thought of having lemon rice wrapped in banana leaves with some spicy thick tomato onion chutney and some pickle with some papad, which my parents used to prepare during every train journey. The best part is lemon rice can be prepared using the leftover rice rather than the basmati rice. As the famous saying goes, if life gives you lemon, make some lemon rice. So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you the quick and easy way of making lemon rice. Without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to my channel V Ideas. Do consider subscribing if you are new here. Let's begin. Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into a hot pan. Use of groundnut oil will add extra flavor. Splutter some mustard seeds. To this, add some split bengal gram, then some split black gram. Also add the semi-roasted groundnuts and give it a stir. Add the dried red chilies. I have used the red Kashmiri chilies. Now add the grated ginger along with the lemon zest. Give it a thorough mix. Add the fresh curry leaves. Once again, give it a stir. I have kept it on low flame. Now, add the turmeric powder to give it a nice yellow tint. Add the cooked rice. Give it a gentle mix. Add salt to taste. And finally, pour the lemon juice. Mix carefully without breaking the rice grains to combine everything well. Our healthy, quick and easy lemon rice is ready. Serve it and enjoy it when it is steamy hot with a side dish of your choice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Until then, Vidya signing off.